Hi, and welcome to English Stars. Right now, you're on the program homepage. From here, you can select My Classroom to view your whole class's results and progress, as well as go to individual student portfolios. You can also access the preparation and planning documents, and PD and support. Below this, you can navigate between year levels using the tabs. Select a tab to reveal the year level units. On the left side, you'll see the unit names. On the right side, you'll see the featured text type for each unit. Select a unit to reveal the unit information and the modules that make up the unit. At the top of the unit, you'll find a brief overview that provides context for the unit and the culminating assessment. There are also links to any printable resources that students will use in the unit. Below this information are links to the modules. Each link has a module name, number, and locking control. There are different types of modules: comprehension, content, and assessment. Assessment modules are highlighted just to ensure they don't get mixed up. The locking control allows you to lock or unlock the student activities in each module. Please note, this control only locks the student activities or assessment tasks within the module. Even when the control is locked, students can still navigate to the modules and view the content. It just means they can't begin the activities yet. Moving back to the top of the page, you'll find Eyes Up Front in the navigation bar, which is accessible from all pages in English Stars, not just this program homepage. When you activate Eyes Up Front, all the students in your classroom have their access to English Stars temporarily suspended, and they see a pop-up instructing them to pay attention to their teacher. You can deactivate Eyes Up Front when you're ready to let your students continue using English Stars.